Hi everyone, this is Andrea and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited to do a Furla handbag unboxing for you guys. So this is what I've got for my talent fee. So as you could remember, I've actually done a makeup for Nicole's 80th birthday. So basically this is what I've purchased from my talent fee. Isn't it that cool? So this is the Furla paper bag that just says Italy 1927. So first things first, let me just show you guys the receipt. And the receipt actually tells me the name of this little beauty right here. So this handbag is called Dixie Mini Crossbody. Yeah. So are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So look at that. I really love this satin material dust bag in drawstring opening, and it says Furla since 1927 Italy. Are you ready? Let's just crack on and open this little beauty right here in 3, 2, 1. Ready? To reveal is my new Dixie Mini Crossbody. This is how it looks like on the front. This is the side. This is the back. Again the side, and again the front. It is in powder blue color that I really love. And of course, not to mention the box silhouette, which is very famous and popular at the moment. Of course, it's made in Italy. It's in leather material. It has got this adjustable chain strap like so. A sliding adjustable strap like so that you can carry as a shoulder bag like so, or a crossbody like so. I really like the size of this handbag because it actually can fit in everything of your daily essentials. This to me looks a little bit casual and edgy. One more feature that I really love is the back pocket, wherein I can just store some of my very important or essentials, like this passport right here. Fits perfectly like so. See? And I think a mobile phone should fit at the back pocket. And it has this click lock opening like so in gold tone hardware. And it's very spacious inside. And it includes a interior slip pocket with 3 card slots like so, very spacious. And it's in textile or suede material. It includes a Furla care card like so. And yeah, it's very versatile. I really love it. And let me just smell. It smells leather, of course. I love it. And yeah, there you are, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. So actually it has got this, let me just peel off this transparent protector. Oh, ayokong magasgas. So ayan, tinanggal ko na. So there you are, you guys. I'll put it back just to show you guys. I am so excited to carry this beauty right here in the next few days because I'm going out with my friends. There you are, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. For the pricing, you have to follow my YouTube channel so I can tell you how much I got this one for. Bye. Have a nice day, everyone. Mwah. Lovely.